Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, we will solve 4 easy order of operations math problems. Remember the PEMDAS rule. P parentheses first. E exponents, powers, square roots, and so on. M and D multiplication and division, left to right. A and S addition and subtraction, left to right. Let's solve problem number 1. What is the value of 6 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Problem number 2. What is the value of 6 times 4 minus 12 divided by 3 minus 8? 6 times 4 equals 24. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 24 minus 4 minus 8 equals 20 minus 8 equals 12. Problem number 3. What is the value of 4 times 4 minus 3 times 3 minus 16 divided by 4? 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 3 equals 9. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 16 minus 9 minus 4 equals 7, minus 4 equals 3. Problem number 4. What is the value of 20 minus 3 times 2 to the power of 3 minus 5? 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Now the problem becomes 20 minus 3 times 8 minus 5. Three times 8 equals 24. 20 minus 24 minus 5. 20 minus 19 equals 1. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the MindGears Math channel.